Let's put some components inside our car now. So what you got to do is go over to Google Classroom and then get into the RC car assembly. There it is. Click on that guy. And let's put in the, let's see here. Let's do the Arduino and the breadboard. So let's insert that guy. So right now, just opening it in Google Classroom here, it takes forever, and then download. Now it's going to put that onto your computer. There, it just downloaded. Now go back to Onshape, and we need, first of all, I'm in the assembly, not the Part Studio, but in the assembly. So down here on the plus, click on that guy and import. And then find on your computer whichever component you just downloaded. I did the Arduino and the breadboard. Now open that guy up. I'll just say okay, and then some stuff happens in the background there. Then I can go to insert, and anything that I have imported should show up here. I've imported the battery, Arduino, caster wheel, gearbox, motor driver. I'll click on the Arduino and breadboard, and there it is. Okay, so I'm just going to click to insert it and click check. Now I got to put it where I want it. Okay, so one thing you might want to do is just hide everything except for what you're about. Oh, not the base. I'm going to hide like all these parts. Just going to hide them. And there we go. I'm just going to leave the base. And I'm going to say, okay, where do I put this thing? So first of all, it's not oriented properly, meaning if I click on it, I can, there's these arrows, some to move it up, some to move left, and some in and out. But also there's these little rotate guys here. So if I click on that, I can rotate. I know I want it rotated 90 degrees. So I'm just going to type in 90. And there it is. I'll hit enter, or no, escape. There we go. And now when I click on it, I can move it wherever I like. But it's not good enough just to move it around. I need to mate that part to that part. So we're going to come up here, go to the fastened mate. All right, click on it. And then I want the underside of this mated to this. Okay, so and if you can't see things, you can like hide them, or you can say, oh, I need to move this around somewhere I can see the bottom of it. So back to fastened mate, and I'll just do the center of this guy. It's probably the easiest, the center. And then I'll zoom out to the center of this and say, okay. But what if you don't want it center to center? Well, then we'll do an offset. So I'm going to go back here. It automatically wants to say, hey, you want to fasten something else? No, I don't. So I'm just going to X that out. I'm going to go back to my first fasten. Okay, I'm going to double click on it. Notice I had this option here to offset. What that means is, like in the X direction, for example, if I had put in a 1-inch offset, I'll hit enter. Notice it just moved it 1 inch that direction. And that's maybe a little too much, right? Because if I was to show, I think that's the driver's side. Nope, it's the passenger side. Okay, now I'm going to double check to see if I have things. Yep, that's no good. It's interfering there. So my offset, maybe I'll do like, I don't know, 0.8. You just check to make sure things fit how you want it to. Then if I want it offset in the Y direction, like it even shows you that green direction is the Y direction. Maybe I want it over here somewhere. So let me put in 2 inches, and let's say that's where I want it. And then I can say green check. Now I've got it where I want it. And when I click on it, I can't drag it anywhere. It is right where it goes. So there we go.